So we have the side openings where we can either open the window, and this just opens up. I'm going to set it as so, and these can be locked in. So this is if you want to just open the window. Maybe not shut. And the windows come either with the fly screens or the full black headlines. Or if you really want to bring the outdoors in, you can open up the whole sides. And to do that, we're just going to release the window hatches. And then the hatch itself is on a ratchet system, so we can decide how much we want to open these by and set these up to the full. And this is on both sides of the pod. Or you can just open from the outside, and again you can set them where you like, up to full opening. And then when you want to close them, all you're going to do is lift it all the way and drop it back down, and then go to the inside and secure it shut. Okay, so to demonstrate the lounge mode, easier to take this cushion out of the way. So I'm just going to pop this cushion here for a second. So the idea is with the seat box, this is treble hinged. So we're going to lift this up, and this pulls out, and basically gives you an extra approximate 100 mm in the seat. This cushion drops to the back. Cushion sits here, so then you have a much deeper seat, which is more comfortable and more cushion under there. So an extension of the lounge mode, if you wanted to make this as a single bed, that popped underway. This cushion this way. Single bed. Okay, so one of the unique features about the Campod is the fact that we have independent suspension units. So the way that our chassis operates is it's raised up on either side with a lowered trough in the centre. So each side's got its own independent suspension unit. So the beauty of this is once you step inside, you're actually stepping down into the pod. So in theory you're stood about 10 inches off the ground, and it's giving you a head height clearance of about 6'4" there. So, and this is for the whole length of the pod. Okay, so as we mentioned there, we have the independent suspension unit, so we have the wheels on the outside of the pod. Again, one of the features from this is there's quite a narrow body. There's no need for the extended caravan mirrors for towing. You'll be easily be able to see down the side of the pod with your standard car mirrors. And also the wheels on the outside give it really good stability in terms of towing, and the curved sides on the body really help in terms of alleviating the impact of crosswinds.